Roll has produced one of the strongest technical structures we've seen in recent weeks, and both the Infinity Agent and the Momentum Consensus Indicator are currently pointing in the same direction. On the 4-hour chart, price continues to trade above the rising 4MA structure while printing higher highs and higher lows. The recent advance has already triggered a successful 4-hour target hit, and price is now challenging the upper portion of the current trend channel. The Infinity Agent remains in a buy position with a current signal level near 0.14655. Price is trading above that level, confirming that the trend remains intact. Looking at the ATR targets, the next major upside objective sits near 0.15865 on the 4-hour time frame, while the daily target projects towards 0.16125. Both targets remain active and have not yet been invalidated. What makes this chart particularly interesting is that the Momentum Consensus Indicator is strongly supporting the bullish case. The 1-hour time frame is currently bearish, showing short-term cooling after the recent rally. However, the higher-weighted time frames are carrying the majority of the signal strength. The 4-hour time frame is bullish and overbought. The daily time frame is bullish and overbought. The weekly time frame is bullish. When those weighted values are combined, the table produces an 87.5% bull score versus only 12.5% bear score. That generates a bull signal with an A+ grade. The interpretation row classifies the current structure as bull A+, strong high time frame alignment. This is important because the highest weighted time frames in the model, especially the daily and weekly charts, are currently supporting the trend rather than fighting it. The price-time confluence engine also remains constructive. The live green and red lines remain elevated, indicating that momentum is still favoring the upside, even though conditions are becoming increasingly extended. Looking forward, the projected Stoch RSI pattern suggests a projected cross shortly after June 1st. As always, remember that the projection does not forecast the future position of the live Stoch RSI. Instead, it attempts to estimate where the next live cross may occur based on historical pattern matching. At the moment, both systems are in agreement. The Infinity Agent is long. The Momentum Consensus Indicator is bull A+. The target ladder continues to point higher, and no confirmed reversal signal has appeared. As long as price remains above the active buy level and the 4MA trend structure remains intact, the path of least resistance continues to favor the upside. This is not trading advice. Always do your own research. The Infinity Signal, trading the future.